expect something when the praises are going up. Tizunenkosi yasala edumiswane abantwana bakhe. Nairobi, when it comes to that now visitor in a different way. You don't know who to have a step in the spirit touching those hands. So stretch yourself. Ululeke ngesandla sakho sokholo ufinyelele la inkosi efuna ufinyelele khona. Ungathiwa wazi uNkulunkulu elethe izinto wakuthola ungalindeli lutho. Yabela
lezi zibonakaliso ziyabalandela
abakholwa sizohamba nomuntu onjani
okholwayo
ngegama lakho
okholwayo ulandelwa yini
ibonakaliso
izinto ezibonakaliseka nomuntu okholwayo. Yes.
They will speak new languages.
Yes.
They will pick up serpents.
Yes.
Even if they drink anything bad, they will not have them. They will lay hands on the sick and they will get well.
All right.
abakholwayo.
So